Hey YouTube, JT here. I was gonna do a review on a knife I just got in today, a Benchmade 710, but I figured there's been a lot of reviews done on it. I'll just do an update on my weekend EDC, because I'm gonna include it now. So, still carrying a Glock 22 40 Smith & Wesson with that ported wolf's barrel. Looks pretty badass. Shoots great. So 40 Smith & Wesson round, 15-1, 2 spare mags. And this is what I'm going to be carrying as a primary, Benchmade 710. McHenry&Williams. So I got the black finish, partially serrated, and access lock. And my good old ZT301 Ken Onion Mick Strider collaboration. Surefire Defender 6P with a crenulated bezel, so you can use that as a tactical impact device, and it has a kydex holder. What I didn't include in the last weekend EDC was my Leatherman Juice S2 Flame Orange. Normally I would pick black or some gunmetal color. My little boy Yoshi likes orange, so pick orange on his behalf. Also recently got a Streamlight Stylus Pro backup light. My Seiko, this is a yellow face dive watch. Still have a Maxpedition camo wallet. This is my silver flak jackets. In the last one I had the black ones. Changed out my keyring a little. Kubaton from Alpha Innovations. I got this MicroTechnician. I had this for like 20 years. So I'm back to carrying a Kubaton as an impact device and to use as a flail. Of course, Comtech Stingers. Clear in the right pocket, black one in the left. Just the iPhone. I had here we go, Star Trek, the original series. This is episode Arena. You know where he fights the Gorn? I love this episode. And when I'm home, put the Glock away, put around the house with a 45, 1 spare mag. So this is what I carry on the weekends when not on assignment. When I go to the dojo or the supermarket for some milk and cookies. Well, like I said, just around the house. You have to have options. Right? Watch your 6. JT out.